Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in this video we will discuss about how you can change the configuration settings of a database in SQL Server. First, let's go through our belief system. We believe that time is very important for everyone and that everyone should gather essential skills and quality education in least amount of time. That's why we prepare our videos keeping in view our vision and our belief. Let's go to the next slide, which is indicating why you should subscribe to my channel. So there are multiple reasons. If you want to learn quality SQL stuff in short amount of time, if you want to learn SQL through demos, and if you want to focus on to the point practical stuff with SQL Server, and if you have less time to read the books, if you have less time to prepare for an interview, and you want to do it in a short period of time, and if you want to get regular updates regarding my future videos, then please do go ahead and subscribe to this channel immediately. And please go through the disclaimer as well, which basically indicates that you should perform any of the exercises mentioned in this video in the test environment only with the test databases. Please do not perform these exercises on the production environment or with the production databases. Let's go ahead. There are some points to remember. Please, I would request you guys to please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept. And if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice and perform the exercises in your lab environment or test environment. And we would like to know your thoughts regarding the video, so please share your comments with us. Now let's come back to a topic, which is how you can change the configuration settings of a database in SQL Server. Now let's go to my notes. Which is basically covering how you can change the configuration settings of a database. Now let's do a practical. Let's close all this. Let's trigger a new query against the sample DB. So what we will do here is we will change the recovery model of a database here. So if you want to view the recovery model of a database, you can right click on that and go to properties. So under the options section, you see that the recovery model for this database sample DB is set to full. Now let's change it to simple. You can do it from here as well, or I'm showing you another way using the transact SQL how you can do it. So you may write along code with me. So which is altered database statement you need to use, and you need to provide the name of the database. So we are altering a sample DB. You can use the set option where we are setting the recovery model to full. So you need to use the set recovery full command. And also we are changing one of the other option, which is the page verify option, while basically which indicates this option indicates when does SQL Server verify the pages inside a database. So we are mentioning the option checksum over here, checksum. So whenever checksum is calculated, it will verify the pages. So we will run this command, but prior to that, let's see where is the page verify option is located inside the properties dialog box. Let's see if we have it here. These are the scoped configuration settings. We were talking about these in our earlier videos. We'll talk about them in detail in later videos. So right now we are trying to locate the page verify options. Let's see if we see this option over here somewhere. So under the recovery settings, we do see a page verify option, which is set to checksum only. And in our query, we are also setting it to checksum. The other options which can be used is to verify the page during the torn page detection. We can set it to none. So for now, let's set it to none, the page verify option. So we are setting this option to none. Right now it is set to checksum. If you check it under the options section, under the recovery section. So it is set to checksum. We are setting it to none using this command. So let's execute this. Now what we can do, you can use the database properties X function as well. So let's do a select star from database properties X. You need to provide the name of the database. Along with that, you need to give me a second, guys. You need to specify the name of the property, but yeah, let's use the sys.databases view. Let's see if this property is listed over here. So our database ID is 6. So let's specify database ID equals 6, which is for sample DB. You see it here. Let's see if we have a page verify option here. So in order to check that, you can specify something like page verify. So you can page verify option and page verify description. You can select it from here. Let's select this property. So right now it is set to none, which is indicated by option 0. Now let's change it back to checksum. So now it's changed back to checksum. Now let's check the status. So page verify option is now set to 2, which indicates the checksum option. We will talk about this property in much detail in our one of our upcoming videos. But for now, we are just showing you how you can set certain properties of a database. So here we have changed the recovery model of this database to full, and we also changed the page verify option to checksum. So instead of full, it should be set to simple, and we're setting it to null. Now if you want to check the properties through database properties page, you can go here, and you can now see the recovery model is set to simple and the page verify option is set to none. Now let's change back the settings, set the recovery model back to full, and we are again changing back the page verify option to checksum. So let's execute it and we will check that again in the database properties box. You can check the same using by querying the 6 databases table as well, but for now I'm going through the properties box and see the settings are changed. So now the recovery model is set back to full and the recovery options are indicating the page verify option is set to checksum instead of none. So guys, we are done with this video. We have shown you how you can change some of the configuration settings of the database using the alter database command, and how you can query the system.databases catalog view to view the various properties of our database. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification icon, and select the all notifications after hitting on the bell notification icon. Please share this video with your friends if you find that this video is useful for them as well. Please share with your friends. Hit on the like button if you really like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And I thank you once again for your time on this video, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.